Hello, today I'm going to rate the aluminum pipe wrench or monkey wrench, whichever you want to call it. Okay. Versus steel monkey wrench. Even though I'm not going to compare with a brand name Milwaukee, and then I'm not going to compare that with that. But even with a regular steel one, it might be just a little bit heavier. But no matter how good the aluminum one is, brand name, whichever, this one is just a Husky. But the thing is about the grip of the, even though it's lighter, but sometimes I think it's worthless because just keep on slipping on you, okay? Slipping on you. And even a no brand heavy duty monkey wrench, right here, I think, what brand is this? Which I consider no brand. Forge, which I still think Forge is better than Husky anyway. This is very, very good. So aluminum compared to aluminum and the steel one, I highly recommend a steel one. This I got a water leak here, so I'm going to do that. Hold on. I just like to keep this in a case so it's easier for me to hang when you use it. This is about $100, I think. 100 or 120, I'm not sure. Maybe this one. And you put a extension to one level. But I think this one is just a little bit loose. The pipe is actually leaking where the coupling is at. It's just loose, that's all. Not a good force. So like I said, I like to keep instead of lose it. It's just a 3/4 inch pipe, so you can actually put it longer than that. It should do it. Okay. That one is loose. Just see water's coming from there. Water heater. So I just need to tighten it. That should do it. I should tighten it up. I didn't put any water in the system yet. Okay, but overall, the metal one, it never slipped on me. The aluminum one, always slip on me. It's just a waste of money. Don't bother buying the aluminum one. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe. I got so many different sizes of the pipe wrench. This one's 14-inch, 14-inch pipe wrench. I got 18-inch, 24-inch, and then I got a 32 or 36-inch also in the car. This is an 18, And this one extends from, it's called a cheater wrench. It actually extends from 10-inch to 24-inch. So, okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. I appreciate it.